Hello folks, I think this is something that most of my followers could use, and I think it's going to help me out a lot with my hobbies. It is the Fanttik micro screwdriver. Not a box opening, it's already open. Comes with a USB charger, and it comes in this neat little aluminum storage container. You press down on that. You pull out, you got the little micro screwdriver. It's got a low and a high speed or torque, and then a manual. So you can turn it manually. I like to start micro screws manually. I'll definitely use it, take it off, and then maybe after I start it, no, it's not stripped, go on from there. It's got a light, really nice compact size, and it comes with 50 magnetic bits, which a lot of them I'm going to use. You just push down on here, they come right out. Very cool. Only thing I wish they would have is some nut drivers. So I ordered some nut drivers because I use them frequently with my cars, a little bit with helis. Let's give it a test drive. We're going to put it on low. Here's my drift car. See, the light's cool. Woo! Really fast. All right. Let's see if we can put it back on here. Start it manually. All right, there you have it. I'll let you know how much I'm using it, but I think I'm going to really use it a lot. Check it out. Fanttik. I wish they'd have gave me one, but I had to pay up for this one. Thanks for watching.